Welcome back to Stock Talk Trades. We're going to be looking at DogeCoin. DogeCoin has absolutely been on the rise lately, ever since it bottomed out at 18 or around 15 cents. But we're going to take it. It's gone up 75% in 8 days. And it's possibly looking like we could run up past 50 cents. I'm not in Dogecoin, and I don't advise anybody to be in Dogecoin because it's a meme coin. Because if it doesn't go your way, then you're kind of stuck, and it doesn't have any value. So like, there's no reason. It was started as a meme. But basically, what I've been seeing, what it looks like is that we might be forming an ascending triangle and a cup and handle, or a cup and handle there. So we have the double top. Obviously, that's going to be reversal. And we found a lot of resistance or support around the 15 cent mark. Bounce straight back up. We're above the 200 SMA now, and looking like we're making higher lows, my bad, and higher highs. So this is good. Our next low should probably be around 33.5. That would be ideal. Continue to come up. If it popped up and tested the all-time high, I wouldn't be surprised if it came down and found resistance right here, or support. So again, if it comes up, finds support somewhere around here, then it pops up again all the way up to the all-time high, and then pulls back down. We would see probably a 15% correction or something close to that, and that would be perfect. That would be fine. 15% in crypto is not a lot. But if we take a measurement, I'm not going to take all of this because this was just a flash sale. So I'm going to take from here, measure to the top. That's around 21 cents, 21.7 cents. So if we take a measurement here and we have 21 to around 7, I'll just do it right there. That looks good. That's a price target that we have for around 65 cents. That would be absolutely crazy. If we take a peek at our Fibonacci retracements, let's go ahead and look at this. We pulled back to around 38. We popped over, found resistance on our support around 50, and broke through the 61. So that price target is also matched up with the price target that we just had. So again, around 65 to 67 cents. That would be awesome. I mean, Dogecoin is something else, but like if it can get to 60 something cents, that would be crazy. Especially if it breaks 50. 50 is a fat resistance. Where is 50? 50 is a big resistance just because a lot of people have a sell target of 50. Like, oh, I'm going to sell at 50 cents. So it's a big mental resistance there. Half dollars and whole dollars act as resistance. But it's looking like Dogecoin might be gearing up to run. We will see. Because look, I mean, we're going up. We might not be and this kind of works out because it kind of finds it just works right here. And as we're building up, it's gonna be good, nice. And a lot of people are going to make a lot of fucking money off this. And I hope they do. I really, really hope they do, just because it's a gamble. Honestly, if you're not looking into a stock that has a long-term potential, it's a gamble. But ideally, I have a price target of around that 65 cent range. I shouldn't have done that. We have an ascending triangle and or a cup and handle here. Could come down, pop up, break through this, find support in this 200 moving average, and then before making that run. So if we take the measurement of this and then duplicate it up top, that's what we get. Also with the Fibonacci retracements, that's what we get. So it does look bullish. It's Dogecoin. It's everybody's favorite coin. So you don't have to worry about it. I mean, it could very well drop. I wouldn't be surprised. It's Dogecoin, so it could easily drop all the way back to around 8 cents. Like, I wouldn't be surprised at all if that happened, just because Dogecoin has no value behind it. And I don't, oh, what? Did not mean to do that. And I do not suggest investing in anything that doesn't have value behind it. Investing, trading's a different story. Investing and trading are different because day traders will trade stocks that they have never heard of, or the stock could be failing, or the company could be failing, but it doesn't matter. So if you're looking to day trade, that's a whole different story. But I'm just talking about investing. So it is looking very good. We are following the 20 SMA. Let's go ahead and take a peek at a longer time frame. Let's go a little bit. We're going to the 4-hour chart, or let's go to the daily chart. The daily chart is actually looking like an ABC pattern. And if we take an actual peek at the ABC pattern, from here up, that's 37 cents, and we're going to take it from the extreme, around 30. We could take it to here, around 37. Again, it's between that $55 and $65 range. No matter where you take it, like 37, like 55, and so again, that's looking like a possible bear flag, or a bear pennant. Excuse me. Possibly. I mean, we might have just broken that out. Like we could draw this and draw this line down, a break from that, and so that would be awesome if that actually happened. Again, we're still very bullish on the daily chart. I don't see that it's slowing down. We just had a few red days, but out of this all green, like we're doing very, very well. And on the daily chart, see what usually happens is we have a sharp run up, consolidate, wait for the 50 SMA to pop up, and then have another sharp run up. So again, see how this run up, we ran up, consolidated, ran up again past the all-time high, and then we pulled back and consolidated for 2 months. So I wouldn't be surprised at all if that's what happened. We pulled up to 65 cents and then consolidated until around the end of June before another run up. But again, it's a hype coin. Nothing, anything can happen. Like again, these days, like some of these days these are like 30% runs in a day. Like that's a lot. You can catch that, but again, it's consolidation. Again, it runs up, makes a new high the next, and then consolidates, kind of forming down. So if we're looking in the past, it's still very bullish. And I'm honestly, like, Dogecoin isn't looking like a bad trade right now. I wouldn't recommend it to anybody, but if you do have money in Dogecoin and you're down on it because you bought at the top, I would just hold it. I think you could be very profitable very soon. Probably in the next 2 to 3 weeks, to be honest. How long was this? We made a new high, and then we made... That was 9 days. So it might take a little longer here. So we made a high, and then we're already on 16 days since the high. 15 days. So we're taking a little bit longer. So it is losing steam, running up, which isn't a good sign for buyers. But again, we just need it to run up and break through this. And even if this was the high, and it was consolidation here, we can consolidate in between this. Oh, whoops. We can consolidate for another 60 days to around until like June 15th. On June, like mid-June, we could be breaking up past 50, which would be ideal for Dogecoin. But again, Dogecoin is a very risky investment, and I do not think you should play it. But let's go ahead and look at the 5-minute chart, see what's happening here. Again, we are making new highs. New highs coming up. Again, this is starting to show us the cup and handle. It's wanting to break through this. This is back. Yeah, here's the cup and handle. Where's the high? There's the high. Okay. Then we're coming down, breaking out of this downward channel for the pennant or the flag. And now we're making just higher highs. So once we break up this resistance, we could see another one. Again, here's another cup and handle. Boom, pull back, boom. So it might be another one here until we continue to run up. And again, it's just we're forming a bigger cup and handle. Cup and handles work on every single time frame, but the bigger the time frame, the bigger the move. So, and the more accurate they are in a bigger time frame. Thank you guys so much for watching. It is 10 minutes long. We've been talking about Dogecoin for 10 minutes. That is crazy. If you stayed to the end of the video, thank you so much. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. It's free. It helps me out a lot. I'm trying to grow this channel a lot. I provide a bunch of value to you guys. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.